Additive manufacturing is a key technology within the next years, and for companies it's crucial to build up their own process knowledge, and we at LMI want to empower those companies and be part of the revolution of additive manufacturing.
The companies struggle with the decision to invest in those additive manufacturing processes because they have two problems. The first one is the financial risk, and the second one is not enough educated employees.
Our vision was actually to bring additive manufacturing into the masses. So companies and universities are able to build up their own knowledge within this technology and generate their own competitive advantage.
And that was the basic idea, to really get to the democratization of metal 3D printing by offering a very low-cost machine, which then allows them to get into that ecosystem.
Our machine is not only easy to operate and very cost efficient, but you're also able to generate high quality, fully functional parts out of a digital model, which is mind-blowing to most of the companies.
The current workflows we're seeing today in the industry is that you have different specialized applications for each job. Fusion 360 offers all this in one integrated workflow.
The integration of the Alpha 140 into Fusion 360 allows customers to orient their parts on the build plate, create support structures, and develop toolpaths for 3D printing. By doing this within the CAD system, we allow the customer to make last-minute changes to parametric designs, and these will update automatically. This allows people to have an inexpensive solution for metal additive manufacturing as well.
If you go for high quantities, material cost is basically everything that matters. And if you go for low quantities, it's basically the machine cost that matters. And we want to get into that market, offering a machine at very low cost, which allows you to produce parts 300 hours a year, and then you make profit out of it.
What I love about Autodesk Fusion 360 is that they share the same spirit as LMI. We want to provide innovative and powerful technology to everybody.